Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best spot welder on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Sunco 709A Spot Welder. Sunco 709A is a portable pulse spot welder machine, which is applied to spot welding of lithium battery pack. This portable welder has a consumable electrode, good weld quality, strong current, and good appearance. The performance is reliable and stable, which is extremely suitable for spot welding of lithium battery pack. It is widely applied in mobile power, solar power and new energy industry, such as power tool, power box, emergency power, solar power, electric vehicle and other fields. Number 4. Sunco 738AL Spot Welder. Sunco 738AL Spot Welder features an adjustable arm to the left or right side, which is designed to let you see your work better while working on it. The very low weight of 7.5 kilograms makes it easy to move from one place to another, and the 140 lbs clamping force holds the workpiece firmly. This Sunco welding machine is recommended for both professional users and beginners alike. Number 3. Sunco 737DH Spot Welder. Sunco 737DH Spot Welder is a professional spot welder. Sunco Spot Welder can weld the steel, aluminum and stainless steel apparatuses and electronic appliances, such as robot toys, flashlights, cameras and security tools, etc. It is also used for the motorcycle battery welding. Its power supply is 220 volts, 50 Hz. Its max welding capacity is 3/4. The max feeding width of the plate is 100 mm. The thickness of the plate can be 350 mm. Number 2. Sunco 737G Spot Welder. Sunco 737G Spot Welder 1.5 kW LED illumination dual digital display double pulse welding machine for 18,650 battery. The Sunco 737G Spot Welder is designed for your clothing, backpack and many other items. It is composed of 2 electric wire, 2 welding plates, 2 jaw bolts and 2 support base, 2 switch buttons and 2 candlesticks. The Sunco 737G Spot Welder is 1.5 kW. Lightweight and portable. Dual digital display and double pulse system. It is a wonderful handy tool for all clothing lovers. Number 1. ZIYANGOL Spot Welder. ZIYANGOL Spot Welding Machine is an automatic numerical control weld gun unit that is designed to weld 2 pieces of metal. The gun unit has both hands doing the actual welding. It can weld without pre-drilled holes. This design makes the users save drilling time and avoid errors caused by human mistakes. It is widely applied in jewelry, fine art, sculpture and so on. This machine can work on sheet metal, pipe, profile and so on. This machine can weld steel, stainless steel and aluminum. Computer program control, flexible welding mode and electric arc control. This machine is suitable for professional welders, artisans, jewelry making, sculpture and so on. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.